Hey guys, my name is Ayana and this is my channel. Here I share with you guys DIY ideas with tips and tricks on how to refashion and upcycle to create those unique looks. I do a bit of everything on this channel because I've learned clothing isn't the only thing you can upcycle or refashion. You have your clothing, accessories, even those home decors. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe and let the refashioning and upcycling begin. Right now, this is the condition of the desk chair that my younger daughter and myself we use. She uses it when she has online classes. I use it when I have to get my work done, as well as when I'm sitting and doing a lot of my DIY videos. And as you can see, it's in really bad condition. But it's only in a bad condition where we sit, right? To the back of it, it's pretty good. All right, so I've decided to create a covering for the chair, and I would be using old pillowcases to create that covering. As you can see, the pillowcase is long and wide enough to cover the backrest and seat area. First thing is to measure the length of the backrest and the length of the seat area. Next, just take your pillowcase, lay it flat, and transfer the measurements that you just took. So for instance, my backrest was 25. I'm going to measure it out 26 inches in length for allowance and mark that off, draw a straight line, and use that to cut my length. Once I cut and had the length needed, I simply fold in my raw edges and clipped them into place, took it to my machine and ran a stitch. Now, with the excess that remains from cutting for length, you can use that to create some tie straps. Now, I made my tie straps 2 inches in width. So what you want to do, just follow what you see I'm doing here and just mark off 2-inch wide lines onto the fabric. Just give each 2-inch line about a 1/2-inch spacing between them. Once you do that, just draw a length line that you can follow and cut out your 2-inch wide pieces. So because it's a pillowcase, you're going to realize it looks something like a loop. So all you're going to do is just take your scissors and cut on each end, cut at each ends. And what this does is give you 2 strips. What you want to do is take each strip, fold them in half, right side facing right side, and run a stitch along the edge there. Once you have your backrest cover and your seat cover along with all of your tie straps, because in total you should have about 12 tie straps, because each covering is going to need 6 tie straps on them. 3 at the top and 3 at the bottom. So just as how you see I'm attaching the tie straps, pinning them in place so that I can run my stitch after, go ahead and do the same thing on yours. With everything finished, it's time to place them onto the chair. Now, because my chair has a spacing between the backrest and the seating, I'm able to pass the bottom straps through it and let the straps meet to the back and tie them. If your chair does not have that spacing, it's okay. All you need to do is tie your side straps at the bottom and tie your side straps at the top, and that's it. It's attached, and you just do the same thing for the seat covering, and that's it, guys. So guys, there you have it, a great sustainable chair cover idea. It can be removed, washed and reused, and you can do this on any chair that you have. Just be creative with it. And until next time guys, deuces.